Hi there, I'm Joanne Ada, and I am a fashion designer who loves creating stylish custom pieces from scratch, and I'll be helping you do the same. So today I'll be showing you how to make a drawstring kimono bubu step by step. So whether you are sewing for yourself or for a client, you are going to walk away with something today. You are going to learn a lot. And if you are into fashion, sewing, or you just love learning how to craft your own clothes, make sure you subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my weekly tutorials. So let's dive in. This is exactly what we'll be making, and we'll be needing about 3 yards maximum for this. So I went ahead to take the width of my neck, which is about 5 inches, and the length 5 inches. Please take note, the back neck and the front neck are not the same. Then I went ahead to take my actual length of the cap bubu, and after taking that, I ensure it was in the correct length. After ensuring that, please take note, you are going to come down by 1.5 at the armhole, or at the shoulder slope, at the shoulder slope. Then I went to take the length of where my draping, that is my cowl, will start from, which is about 24 at length. Then I came down by 6 inches to give it that straight cut measurement by the side. So I wrote that just in case so that I could take the width measurements. After using my ruler to ensure that I used 17 inches for the wideness of the bubu at the down parts. You can do it. The measurement changes likewise. If you are much of a bigger person, you can make it wider than that. So I use my ruler to trace it out to match the 17 inches at the tip of the bubu to where it will stop exactly at that 24 inches. Then I went ahead to draw like a C cut to merge with the edge of my bubu kaftan where it's going to stop. So remember, I'm going to take in 1.5 at the shoulder slope. Then for it to come down properly, that's the front part. The front part 1.5, while the back I'm going to take in that's 1 inch. So that to overlap the front by 1/2 inch. So I went ahead to ensure my front neckline and width. I used my curve ruler to curve it out because I wanted a canoe neckline. Something wide but not too deep. After using my chalk to ensure that, then I went ahead to cut it off like you're seeing in the video. Then you are going to separate the front from the back. Separate the front neckline from the back. I first of all cut the front neckline from the back so that you can get it properly. Then you are going to cut facing for it. I cut out my facing so that I can use that to turn the neckline of the front. I also do the same. I use pin to pin it down like you are seeing in the video. Use pins to secure it so that I can use my sewing machine to turn the neckline for the front part. I'm also going to do likewise to cut the facing you're going to see in the video for the back. So it's quite easy to sew this drawstring bubu. Just join once you turn the neckline, join the shoulder by 1/2 inch and do not weave the seam together. Open it and secure where you are going to stop for your drawstring, and that is how to cut this drawstring bubu. Very easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You're inspired to create your own kimono bubu. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion making tutorials. If you try this, look, tag me. I would love to see your version. See you in the next video. Stay creative and stylish.